here.
Oh, come on, Brad. You can't stay inside and play video games all day.
Brad, it's a beautiful day. We're going to have fun. Come on.
Oh.
Voting to save animals all around the world, and I'm going to go for the giraffe.
I'm going to go for the gorilla.
I'm going to go for the bunnies.
Excuse me.
Yeah?
Can you help me? I'm lost.
Oh, I think you belong in the reptile house. Come on.
Oh man, I wanted to go to the bird house.
Here you go, Green Wizard. You're out of time.
Good one.
You're home now.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye. Hey, Paul. I'm back. Can we go and see the birds yet?
Look behind you. They're right there.
I'm the biggest and scariest fuck around. Look at me and my long legs. Panda, I'm starving.
It's not a Panda Express, it's a Panda Forest.
Oh dear, looks like he's asleep. Check out the school of fish over there.
Okay guys, I got some jokes for you. Why wasn't the giraffe invited to the party? He was a pain in the neck. What do you get when two giraffes collide? A giraffe jam! Why did the giraffe graduate early? He was head and shoulders above the rest of the class. Come on, guys, I got 1,000,000 of these.
Hey, buddy, I got one. Why do giraffes have long necks? Because their feet smell.
Okay, seriously, that is not funny. Hey, that is not funny. I tell the jokes around here. Okay, one final parting joke. Okay, here it goes, guys. Did you hear about the two giraffes that were racing? They were neck and neck. Get it? Neck and neck. Giraffes have really long necks. Do you get it? I have been wondering, do you know why the leaves always taste better on the other side of the fence? It's so strange to me, but they always do. They really do.
Quiet. Okay, I'm not gonna hold a muscle. I am not moving a muscle. Wow, that's an eastern bongo! What are you looking at, huh? I still can't figure out what they're looking at. You know, you were right. This is a great place to spend the day.